My name is Saya. Welcome to my channel. I am not actually prepared to do a video, and if anything, I'm actually not planning on recording anything for my YouTube channel because today has been miserable. I unfortunately have been dreading this market, which is sad because I am looking forward to this event for a long time, 2 years in the making, and it's just the weather. We actually, New England have hit a record-breaking event of raining straight for 13 Saturdays. Today is the 13th Saturday that it has been raining here in New England, or at least in the Boston area. It's not fun, guys. It's not. It's the wet, wet and plushy doesn't go along. The setup doesn't. It's not made for rainy season. That's why a lot of this events are done. Market. These events are done during summer period. I'm exhausted. It's just, I'm not feeling it. Check-in time today was at 6:30. At least it starts at 6:30, and the area was a lot of one-way street and a lot of streets that were closed in. So by the time I get to check in, we already have driven 15 minutes around the area and trying to figure out how to get there. And I have dragged Nora today, and I'm so glad that she's here. A little help always goes a long way. I will show you guys what my booth looks like, and I have definitely exchanged a great aesthetic to convenience. I don't have every nick and cranny that I usually bring with me because it's crazy. You gotta have to unload and then park your car in the garage, which is 3 blocks from here, with the rain. And I can't. I'm trying to be positive here. It's so hard because I don't like rain in general, and it has been raining in every event that I've been to so far since March, and I'm so disheartened by it. And then when I finally found my spot, it's in a smaller street, and there's only, I think, 5 or 6 of us on this street. We're away from the main area. I don't even know if I'm actually gonna make any sales today. Between the rain and the foot traffic, I'd be lucky if people would want to go into this direction. Guys, the booth fee for this event is $195 for the day. It is a huge event. It's actually one of the bigger events of this town. It's their 48th annual festival, so it is tried and tested. It's just that the weather today is not good. Well, supposedly it's gonna stop. The event started 9 minutes ago. It starts at 9. It's 9 to 4, and based on the forecast, it should be stopping soon. So I guess as long as it's not gonna be raining all day, and at this point, at least I get my booth fee back, because I don't know, I won't have any show until the end of July, so I'm definitely gonna take a week off next week to not crochet and do anything because I have reached my burnt out level this week for sure. So, and that's not good because I just started this season. I still have quite a few events lined up for the remainder of the year, so I cannot not stop, you know. But anyway, Nora's here. I'll show her to you guys, just on the other side of the tent. Oh my gosh, like look at my under eye. I have been sleeping past midnight for the last couple of weeks, trying to make inventory because I was really low in inventory from my last event, but I didn't even think it was gonna be worth all that trouble. But again, I need to be positive. I need to radiate that energy, the positive energy out there, because if I am like Debbie Downer right here or negative Nancy, it's not gonna help. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update. We'll see. Maybe I will be able to produce enough materials for a video because I am not feeling it today.